Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing limits. Turn off low power or battery saver and any scheduled dimming because they cap maximum luminance. Once done, take off the case and gently wipe the front top bezel where the ambient sensor sits. Dirt or a sticker fools the sensor into lowering brightness. Then go straight into display settings and switch adaptive or auto brightness off so you can set the slider manually and reach full available brightness without the phone pulling it down. With auto brightness off, drag the brightness slider to maximum. This gives you the baseline. Make sure True Tone, Night Shift, blue light filters, or similar color temperature features are off because they can dim or alter perceived brightness. If your phone has an extra high brightness mode or sunlight/HDR boost, enable it now. These modes temporarily push panel output higher for visibility outdoors. Also turn off any app-specific dark themes. Finish by checking accessibility settings. On iPhone, turn auto brightness off under display and text size. On Android, look for a comparable override. Restart the phone and install any pending OS updates because software bugs can restrict brightness. If brightness still won't rise, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps and try without the case again. Troubleshooting tip. Persistent dimming often means a failing backlight or sensor. If safe mode shows the same issue, arrange a hardware check or repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.